First things first, we're going to need to jack up the rear end of the ATV. Next, we'll coat the entire chain in cleaner. Apply very liberally. You want a ton of it on there to get it nice and clean. Once your chain is thoroughly covered in cleaner, we'll go ahead and start the engine and idle the ATV. Neutral. Place the ATV in first gear and allow it to idle forward. Once the ATV is idling forward, we'll go ahead and use our cleaning tool and hold it on the chain very firmly so it can just pull itself through the cleaning teeth and get that chain nice and clean. Once our chain is cleaned up and ready to go, we'll go ahead and loosen these 4 Allen bolts. You'll need a 6mm Allen wrench. Now we're going to check the tension on our chain. The bottom of the chain is at the 2-inch mark. So we have about 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches of tension. That is too loose of a chain. Most ATVs call for 1 inch. So we need to go ahead and tighten this chain up. These 2 slots here are how you adjust your chain. You can use your Allen key, sticking it in that hole. Pulling down will tighten your chain. Going up will loosen your chain. So we need to tighten ours. So we'll go ahead and pull it down. You can see this chain back here is quite a bit tighter. Might have gone too tight, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen it up just a little bit. And then we'll go ahead and check the tension on the side. Now that we've adjusted it, we'll go ahead and check our play again. So now we're at just a little under 1 inch of play, which is perfect where I want it. Next, we'll go ahead and tighten these 4 bolts back up.